under a proper LED lamp.
So what she have on there?
Huh? This one?
Polish?
I just have a gel polish. It was like the can I get that one? That's right there on the table. Is the C&D shellac this color, I think. I just found this dark diamond. That is just in case. I don't know, so it's found. Yeah, 30 seconds. So when you have something similar, you can do that. I'm gonna using this, like have a gold crystal and see how it's gonna turn out with us. And I might using some of our, oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I know I have it prepared, and then I'll send Sarah the picture, and I say Sarah, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I really enjoying it every single time we do live video because we have so many cool ideas that I got an opportunity to share with all of you. All right, can you pull this one? I need this one out. I'm looking for something. All right, so this is easy for you to seeing it like in the back side, just like nothing. This is a solid foil. So I will try to get as good as possible. The going right in the center for me. Using my other side of my tweezers. This is really stunning and a compact tweezers. I'm really pleased with this. It's the other end. It's really sharp, so you make sure you cover it. If you are, I'm get used to with this now, so it won't poke me like it used to be. But the first time I keep poking myself so hard because it's so sharp. So I still keep my rubbers end that covered this. So first of all, you prevent from just in case you drop it off from your tables or poking yourself. So it's really protect your tweezers. Let's see. Good. So make sure you press it firmly. Let me move it just slowly so you can see that. There you go. You transfer everything, and this is only need to be here for 30 seconds. All right, I love the rest of the detail. You can even like do this details on the next nails. If you do a theme of whole like set of nails for the clients, you can do this and using for a next nail to make a theme of yours designs that you want to. So let's see what we can do with this. I am going to using condensed glue gel to dress up crystals on this nails. Can I get my brush? I'm looking for this. Can you grab this one out? No. I want. Do you want to take it out? I want this shape right here. Photoing. It might be in there. So really thick density. If your first time, yeah, you might able to find it in there. I just saw that. Sorry, I just get everything prepared, but then sometime.
You mean that?
Nah, get photo right there.
Okay. You might have something similar.
It doesn't matter. So I'm applying a good generous amount. At first, when I start playing with the crystal placement, I did too much of crystal. Then I noticed that it's just from my personal experience. Like I flooded whole entire my crystal, and I feel like too much for that, and it doesn't do really well. It's still holding it, but it's just flooding all the crystals. So you want to give it a couple times to play with this, and then you're able to get them down really well. And here, not really. That's not what I want. Oh, I want something else. Sorry. Of course, when I was trying to get it here, then I can't find it. And then when we're done with the live stream, and it show. Oh yes.
Don't lose it.
Don't lose it. So we'll put the frames there. Let's see. See, we can do some frame in here. How does that go? I'm putting a bright where is the picture of the foils. See, furtherly. Did I say it right? Furtherly?
Totally?
Furtherly. Furtherly? The flowers? No, furtherly. This one. What is how you everybody call? I had to Google it again.
I just noticed.
How anyone knows? I think you all like maybe Sarah knows. Furtherly. Did I say it right? Sometimes I got it right, and then sometimes I didn't remember. It's like I have flowers. Just remind me of
We'll figure it out.
watching the movie Versailles Palace. What is that? The movie I just watched? Versailles.
She started watching period piece now.
Because I want to learn about the history and cultures and stuff. It's just like really cool.
Well, I'll look for some more for it.
Let me do some yellow on it. I want some bright yellow. See, it's just okay. I need one more, but let me see what I'm using. Rose gold. Have any of you seen Dr. Foster on Netflix? No, not yet. Is it cool that live us? What is that? A documentary or was movie? I'm really curious. I might watch it. Is it scary? If I watch scary movie, I can't sleep at night. Then I had to finish all that episodes, so then I can like feel I'm complete. If not, then I keep watching it more scared and keep me like curious and scared more.
Figure something else out. Can't find that one.
Charm number 1.
Yeah, I see a lot of seahorses and stuff.
It's okay. Alright, so I might miss something. Oh my goodness. Oh, is that okay?
Something about drama though.
Drama? Hey Jessica, hey love. Hi Sassy. Hi Sarisa. Hello ladies. I appreciate it so much. I need that. The smaller side. Maybe should I do that? I'm watching for the lighter. What else do I have? Oh, I'm talking about I'm getting the gold one. Something stick there. So I'm feeling like have a go in. It's really cool. It's look dark, but it's kind of different now. Alright, I'm gonna put it on my side right there. Let me know if I am off from the camera. I will try to stay away from that so everybody can read comments as well. So I'm gonna just play all the crystals along. Oh, nice. Okay, thank you. So I'm gonna count my crystal though, because I will make sure that I got even amounts between bigger. There you go. Size 12, I guess.
This looks cool.
There's one more little one right there. Why? Hugh said, should I put another one sticker on it? She's already there. Maybe don't cover her face.
Look at Bling.
Oh. I'm accident get this one there. You know, but I could make that. It looks like 3-dimension. It looks hard to see.
Yeah.
You think?
Yep. Hey, Perlas now. If you want to be a team, so simply just send us an email, and our team will be helping you with that.
And we can do the gold. Per Lash Nails, just send us the emails at info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. Recording to yours. Just stick together. I'm just adjusting it. It's a little bit detailed because I want to put some crystals on it.
Perla, the email is info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com, or you can go to our official website. Scroll down to the bottom. There's a contact us form. That works too. Thank you, Live for that email.
I will suggest a movie.
Oh, they've been talking
what
about
is-
movie all day.
What movie is that again? So I have to read the comments on the. I have a problem when I watch movie. I would not like watching only one episode, especially if I want to watch all of them. I watched like last year. It's like I share with you. I watched like what is that? The Baby Yoda.
Yeah, Mandalorian.
Mandalorian. I'm watching 8 episodes in one night. Got the weekend off, so I'm watching all night. Cause I can't wait to like seeing the next episodes. Cause I'm always keep wondering what's gonna happen. So might as well watch it all and get it done. Because I've been like that. I was like, I would never can really be patient and wait. And then I don't really watch. My mom's love watch episodes, and then my sister will watch episodes like they're waiting like every week patiently. I wait until it's come out all, and then I watch it all at the same time. Oh, it looks like a little bit better now. I was like really impatient. I want it, and I want it now. Is that crazy? Like, I want it now. Alright, so I need one more of my fiddly. If not, it's funny, and then I can't find it. And later, when I'm not sitting with all of you at lives, I will find all, because every time I'm cleaning this one up, it took me about an hour, and then I'll find all the designs that I want. I'm supposed to. Oh, I kind of like the end of it. It's had a little bit of shimmery here. Few more minutes. A few more minutes before the live ends.
So finish up there and really turn up.
Don't turn it off. Just keep it, and then we cure it. How many minutes now?
Yeah, about 5.
Okay, great. So we're gonna cure this one for 60 seconds. If you're happy with this, and then we will put the pieces. This is like pretty cool though. Okay, great.